Look, the ABC animals are on a train. A is for ant.
Ant.
B is for bear.
Bear.
C is for cat.
Cat.
D is for dog.
Dog.
E is for elephant.
Elephant.
F is for frog.
Frog.
G is for gorilla.
Gorilla.
H is for hippo.
Hippo.
I is for iguana.
Iguana.
J is for jaguar.
Jaguar.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L is for lion.
Lion.
M is for monkey.
Monkey.
N is for newt.
Newt.
O is for owl.
Owl.
P is for pig.
Pig.
Q is for quail.
Quail.
R is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
S is for squirrel.
Squirrel.
T is for turtle.
Turtle.
U is for uriel.
Ural.
V is for vulture.
Vulture.
W is for walrus.
Walrus.
X is for fox.
Fox.
Y is for yak.
Yak.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra.